Hello friends, my name is Ganesh Kadam from Computer Branch, second year MIT Polytechnic Rotegao. Today we are performing a practical of digital techniques, that is practical number 10. Test the functionality of RS flip-flops using NAND gates. For performing this practical, we need an app, that is Logic Circuit Simulator Pro. When we open the app, interface be like this. Now we need to some components which we take from here, that is 4 NAND gates, 3 switches and 2 bulbs. Now we have to arrange it like this so we can make connections simply. Firstly, we are making SR latch using second and fourth NAND gates like this so we can make connections simply. Now we are giving this NAND gates output to these NAND gates. Similarly, this NAND gates output to this NAND gates input, and connect these two switches to these two NAND gates. Here switch 2 as a clock, we have to connect this clock in common to these two NAND gates like this. Finally, our circuit is completed. Now we can test its functionality. Here switch 1 is S, switch 2 is clock and switch 3 is R. For checking its functionality, we should take clock as input 1, because if you are taking clock as input 0, it means it is level triggered, but flip-flops are edge triggered. Or consider the clock's input 0, then it will goes to don't care condition, that is no change. That's why we are taking clock as input 1. Now we have 4 conditions, or we can say 4 possibilities of input. Here we are providing input R and S is equal to 0, but we have not seen any changes in output, that means it's a no change condition. Second condition, when we provide input R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 0, then we get the output as Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1. It means it's a preset condition. Next is third condition, when we provide input R is equal to 0 and S is equal to 1, then we get the output is Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 0. That means it's a set condition. Now the last condition is when we provide input R and S is equal to 1, then we get the output is Q and Q bar is equal to 1, which is never happened. That means Q and Q bar is always opposite. So we have got the race outputs. It means it is an invalid condition. Now this is the truth table of RS flip-flop using NAND gates, and we have verified it's true. Today we tested the functionality of RS flip-flop using NAND gates. This all videos credit goes to my dear Mr. Jagdale sir, because this all of which was I showing and doing in this video only because of the guidance and blessing of the sir. Thank you.